I am Nick Hancock, the president of Aerial Elite Solutions here in Decatur, Illinois. We are a drone service provider who serves an array of industries, everything from just photo shots to agricultural industry to renewables, all around the Midwest and potentially around the world. Actually launching and deciding to become a business was solely with the partnership with First Mid. Jack and I having a meeting in 2020, I think it was, where I was kind of brainstorming. I was already in a little bit, had a pilot license, and I sold him on the idea. And then I think after we both started working some numbers and doing some, by some I mean a lot of homework, it all ended up kind of making sense. So I funded a portion of the company for maybe the first 6 months, literally while the process of the SBA loan went through, but banking on if I do what I'm supposed to and provide what I'm supposed to, then it'll go how it should. And so I trusted the system and the process, and that's 100% why the company, it didn't just grow, it was created because of First Mid, yeah, for sure. It made it so we were able to, instead of trying to figure out how to get by, we were able to hit it how we were supposed to. And it went from operating by like the sweat of our brow to comfortably, being in an industry to where we could do anything. And we're still there because of it. There was many times throughout the process that it was like, man, this is a lot, but in the end of it, so is the amount of money I'm trying to get them to put in my bank. I put in my work, they did their job, and even though we shuffled back and forth a few times, Jack assured me at First Mid that he thought it would work. I see him still. He'll pop in just to see how it's going, see what's up. He wants to come shadow me one day and just watch. And when I see him in public, he shakes my hand and hugs me. So we built a relationship, and I think that was built on, at the end when I thanked him, he said, no, you did it. So, it changed my life.